Hi, I'm Sajid and today I will be talking about feature engineering for a DateTime object. So DateTime object, we have date, we have time, and then we can extract different features from that object. So let's go to the code. We have a notebook here. First of all, I will import the libraries which we will be needing. So here I will import numpy as np, then import pandas as pd, import I will be importing datetime. Okay, here I will load the data. The data we have is in the CSV file, and since the data is in the same folder, so I won't give the path here. So df equal to pd dot read csv. The file name is messages dot csv, and let me check the data. Df dot head, and okay, we have two columns, the date column and the message column. Since we are just working with the date column here, so I will remove the other column. So it will be df equal to df, only date column will be needed. And I will also, let me see the data type of the date column, df dot info. So here you can see that the data type is object, it's not datetime, so we have to convert the data type into a datetime. So df date equal to pd dot to date time df date, and let me check the data type again. So here it is converted to a datetime object, datetime data type. So now the next step is to get the features of year, month, day of the week and quarter from that datetime object. So let's do this. So I will create different columns for different features. So I will create one column for year equal to df date dot, let me check if it's working. Okay, so I will just make its copies. I will change month, then month, I will have the, here I will have the day. Day is basically a date. So for example, if today is 25th September, so the day will be 25. Here I will get the week of the day, and it will be here I am getting the name of the day, but you can also get the numeric value like 1 2 3 4 5 6. I think it starts from 0, and then here I can get the quarter. Df dot head. Now you can see that we have added 5 more columns. So we have extracted 5 features from a single datetime object. Now the next step is to extract the time features. So we will extract hour, minutes and seconds from that datetime object. So again I will make separate columns for hour, minute and second. Hour, equal to df date dot dt dot hour. I will make its copies. Minute, second, minute and second. Let's see if it is working. df head. Okay, now we can see that we have added the columns of hour, minute and second in the df. Now the next step is to extract the holidays. Now you know that holidays are of two types. One are the weekends and the other are the national holidays. So for the weekends, there are two, like in Gulf countries the weekend is of like Saturday, Friday and Saturday are weekends, are weekend holidays, while in the rest of the world the weekends are Saturday and Sunday. So here you can for now I'm just I'm using if else condition. So I will define the country category here. Country category equal to Gulf. I am just writing Gulf, but you can also go the other way. If country category equal to Gulf, then I will create a new column for weekend and I will just put a true or false value here. Is if day of a week, actually we are just doing it manually. So we are checking if the day is Friday or Saturday, then it will be a weekend. In Friday or Saturday, else I will just copy and I will add Sunday here. Day of week. Okay, so it's saying the day of week is not here. Week of, okay, day of week. Sorry, I just misspelled it. Day of week. Okay, now let me see. Df dot head. Yep, so it worked. So you can see that for Friday and Saturday it is true. If you want to see more, then you can just increase the number of rows. So yeah, so you can see that here Friday is true, then Saturday is true, Friday is true. So this is how we can extract the weekends manually. Now to extract the national holidays, there are different options. One option is that we use some paid APIs. Those APIs can cover all the countries, but for this time we are just using Python library. It is free of cost, although it is not covering all the countries, but still it covers a wide range of countries. So you will need to install holidays, as I have already installed. So but just to show you, it will, like, we just need to write pip install holidays and it will install the holidays library. Okay, and now we just need to import holidays here. Import holidays. Okay, now we can select any country and it will give any country means the countries which are in its list. As I said that this library is not covering all the countries, so we have to check that which countries are enlisted in this library. So let's say we want to see national holidays of Saudi Arabia. So here we'll just we will select the country as Saudi Arabia, and we'll create a list, empty list here, holidays, list empty, and then we can pass all the rows through a list, through a loop for date and holidays dot country. You can also try other methods like lambda or maybe list comprehension, but just for the just for showing you, I am just using simple for loop. Holiday country, we can specify the years here. So I'm just specifying year as 2022, and then items, holidays list dot append string date 0. df. Again, I will create a flag here. Is holiday equal to df date is in holidays list. Okay, so you can see that we have created a column having the holidays information. So you can see that using a single DateTime object, we have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have created 11 features out of a single DateTime object. This is called feature engineering. I just did some modifications in the code. So we can, instead of just giving a single year, we can give a list of years here. So after seeing my data, I realized that I should give a range between 2012 to 2016, and then I just passed the list here, and here you can see all the holidays in this range. So you can see the dates, and you can also see the names of the holiday. So holidays are like either Fitr holiday or National Day holiday, or maybe there are some other holidays for Saudi Arabia. As we have selected Saudi Arabia, you can select some other countries like US or maybe United Kingdom or India, or you can select you can see from the list of given countries. I have also added a link that is very helpful. You can go to that link and you can see what other functionalities that library has. So there are different functionalities which you can try of this library. And one more modification I needed to do was that here okay, here I think yeah, here I just need to yes, so if you see the holidays, so the format of the holidays is like, it is just giving us the it is like it comprises of year, month and the day, while our date format was different. If you see our date format, it was like hours, minute and second were also included in the DateTime object. So I had to convert our date into a different format, and now in this format, if I show you, there is only df.head. So this is the only date in which I have removed the hour, minute and second. So after changing to this format, I was able to compare dates in my list with the holidays. So when I check a list of holidays, I can do this, and then I can filter out all the rows having the national holidays, and here you can see that yes, here I need to change it, date to only date. So this is it. Hope you understand what we discussed today. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section, and I will also add the GitHub repository, and you can run the code using that GitHub link. Thank you for your time. Bye.